Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to dupe the Kylie Cosmetic collection, her collaboration with Stormi. Yes, Stormi the baby. The theme of this collection is obviously butterflies, like you can see. I recreated this makeup based on the photo shoot she did with Stormi. I'm going to try to swatch different colors to create the perfect dupe. I took all my different palettes, I mean most of them. There is my cat behind the screen. Oh my god. The first color is a shimmery color, it's a bit goldish. Oh my god, I'm stupid! I don't have any space in this fucking arm. For the first color, I know exactly the color that will do the job. But my sister told me it's not really a good idea to do some Kylie dupes using Kylie Cosmetic. But I feel like if you already have some Kylie Cosmetic palette, you maybe don't need the new one. Okay, so it's really hard to find perfect dupes. Okay, so for the first color, the perfect match is from the Take Me on Vacation palette. This one. I will show you the result at the end. It's a good dupe, but the formula is definitely not the same. Mine is more an iridescent. I don't know how we say that. Iridescent color. I don't know if you can see that. The next color is purple one, and I feel like I have the perfect dupe for this one. Let's take your Morphe 35B palette. It doesn't have enough glitter on it, okay, so I use this one. This dupe is not really great, but you can mix it with a different color to add glitter, you know. The next one is nude color. So maybe I'm going back to the Take Me on Vacation palette because I used it before. So this one for the brown. Honestly, to find a light brown like this one, you can find it in any palette. It has to be a cool tone brown. You can also use this palette, and I feel like maybe this brown will do the job, but it's a bit warm. So the next color is the hardest one. It's a peachy color, and I don't have any peachy color like you can see for this makeup. I had to find it, and what I did was mixing these three different colors because I feel like this one is a bit too orange and this one is a bit too pink. Yes, it's not that bad, huh? Yes, it looks the same. I'm the best. Then the next color is a gold color. A gold color is a pretty common color, so it won't be hard to find it. So I'm going first with the Take Me on Vacation palette, and here you have a gold color. I already tried this color and I wouldn't recommend this one because it's not yellow enough. Oh my god, why are my palettes so dirty like this? Okay, so my bronze palette is dead. I drop it because my cat, you saw that before. Never mind. So for the gold color, the nice palette has yellow goldish color, but I feel like it's too yellow. This gold color named Dubai from the burgundy palette, I think it's too orange. You may also use this gold color from the 9A Morphe Cosmetic. Maybe for the first color, this one is definitely a great dupe for the first color. You can also use this gold color from Tarte Cosmetic, the collaboration with Graveyard Girl. But again, I feel like it's too orange. I will go for this one. Okay, it's too orangey. Maybe the perfect pick is the yellow one. Okay, I will swatch you both and you just imagine a combination of the two. I'm scared I broke another palette because I see powder everywhere. The next color is a matte color and it's a purple one. And I feel like it's exactly the same color. I don't know if you can see that. Next, I think the most beautiful color of the palette is lavender color. So I'm taking this one of the same palette. I don't know if I look dumb when I do that. The next color is again purple color. Okay, this color is definitely too dark, but it's the same kind of color, you know. It's a matte purple. So last but not least, it is a dark brown color with a bit of gray. This palette doesn't seem to have this. There is definitely a dark brown, but oh yes, it can do the job, but it's not matte enough. Okay, so let's start with the tutorial. For this tutorial, I'm going to use the Morphe 35B palette, so this one. I feel like for this purple color, it's the best dupe. In the picture, it's really hard to see which color she used. So I will try my best because the quality is not really the best. Let's start with these 3 different colors. So for the darkest color, I used this purplish color and I realized that it wasn't really the perfect dupe and I had a better color to dupe this color. And I don't feel like she wore this color. She definitely had a darker color on her eyes for the crease, but I wasn't really able to find which one it was, so I just tried to take the darkest color of the palette. And this makeup doesn't really look like her makeup, but the colors are pretty similar to the swatches. So for the inner corner part of her eyes, I tried to dupe this peachy color because she definitely used this peachy color. Okay, so it was really hard to recreate this makeup because the quality, like I said, wasn't really great. So it was really hard to see the colors that she used. I looked at the swatches of the palette and I tried to guess the color she may have used. I tried to dupe the swatches and recreate the makeup, if it makes sense. Okay, so I'm back. I'm sorry for my fake eyelashes. I know it looks stupid, but it was really hard to apply them. I really need eyelashes extension. Tell me what you think about this look. I really like it. So do you like it? Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and give a thumbs up if you like these videos, and hopefully I'll see you on my next video. The next video will be about Overwatch and it will be a very long video. I shot it a year ago. Like really, it took me so long to edit this video. It's a long video and it will come in 2 different parts. It was a very big project, so I hope you will like it. I won't say more, just that it's official. This channel will be about makeup and gaming. So I hope you like that. So thank you so much. Bye.